So guys, as you can see, this is our project, and this came from the drain of this MOSFET, and the second drain was connected to the transformer. As you can see, this is 12 volt 12, and this is the middle wire, which is the plus. So this plus, we are going to connect it to this positive driver of this oscillating circuit, and this negative to the MOSFET negative, like that guys, parallel, and this one to this middle guys, as you can see, to the middle here. So after that, we are going to connect our battery and our switch to test it guys. So as you can see, this is for the output and this is our transformer. So let's do that now guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the positive, so we're going to add the switch to it. So guys, as you can see, I've already added the switch to it, as you can see guys, to the positive, and this is our positive wire guys, as you can see, the one that goes to the transformer, and this is the negative, the MOSFET driver and the oscillating driver guys. So we are going to connect the battery negative here and the positive, so we are going to test the output guys. So let's do that now guys. Negative. So guys, we've connected our positive, as you can see, to the switch, and this is the negative. I've connected it to the driver and the MOSFET driver guys. So we are going to connect the bulb that we are going to use now guys to the output. So guys, let's test our projects. So as you can see, it is working fine. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.